So today we're going to crochet flower for granny square, like that. It's granny squares, and I will show you all steps in case written pattern is not enough. So as you can see, you need 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. So you need always white. This round is going to be always white. Then you need the same color but one in the darker shade and one in the lighter shade. So if you use green, you have to have light green and dark green. So first two rounds, like middle, it's middle of the flower, it's always the same color what is going on the last round, and it's have to be one of the main color what you use for flower, but darker one. So we have red and the yellow, purple and green, and now we're going to make blue. So there is colors I choose. This is for flower, and purple is for accent. See, there is every flower has accent. So let's start. So first round we have to start with darker color, and we have to make 8 single crochet stitches in the magic ring. So use smaller hook for here, because this stitches is going to be under the stitches. I will show you. So first 8 single crochet stitches, crochet tight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches, and we're going to slightly to pull the tail to put together the ring, but don't close this middle, don't close completely, because we're going to use it. Now make slip stitch into the first stitch and make chain 1. Now we're going to get bigger color or bigger hook, and now we're going to crochet over the stitches in the middle, single crochet stitches, but these stitches is going to be inside our stitch. So, and we have to make 12. So crochet stitch by stitch, make sure they're very tightly together, pull the stitch up, right? So yarn over inside the hole, make sure this yarn going near the stitch, pull this yarn up and crochet together, crochet, single crochet stitch, and we have to fit here 12 stitches. I have only 3. So next 4, 5. You can help and a little bit pull them together. 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stitches. A little bit tighter. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the yarn, and I like to sew last stitch so it looks nicer. So slip stitch like that. So this is the middle of our flower. And now we're going to use lighter blue color, but lighter color, lighter blue. So we don't need small hook anymore, it was only for first round. Now we continue to crochet with bigger hook. So this stitch what we saw, it gives us 13th stitch. We don't use it. Okay, just next in first stitch of the row, you can crochet on the back loops or you can crochet on both loops. It's how you like better. So I will show you how it looks. Look, I like this look better when you crochet on back loops, but if you crochet on both loops, it looks this way. It looks nice too. Now in the next round, now it's going to be round 3. On back loop we crochet double crochet stitch 2 times in one stitch, increase of double crochet stitch, and we're going to make chain 1. So let's start. So chain and double crochet stitch, so it makes 2 double crochet stitches. Look of that 2 double crochet stitch. Now 1 chain, in the next 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 1 chain, 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 1 chain, 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 1 chain, 1, 2 double crochet stitches, 1 chain. We crochet in each stitch except of this one what we saw, the last stitch what we saw, we don't use it. And chain 1, 2 double crochet stitches in 1, and chain 1, 2 double crochet stitches, I skipped, chain 1, 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, and 2 double crochet stitches. I'm gonna hide it. This I will hide it. This one what was spare, I will hide it like that. Double crochet stitch 1, double crochet stitch 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. So again we cut off our yarn and I make slip stitch. So why I like to sew slip stitch, because the work looks more neater. You can do just joining, but you kind of can see joining, but I don't like it. Don't like to see joining. I like when it's invisible. Now, so far is done, and the next color is white color. So what we crochet with white color? With white color we crochet 1 single crochet stitch between those double crochet stitches, 1 single crochet stitch between, but there is one chain. On one chain we crochet 2 single crochet stitches, increase, yeah, crochet increase. So you can attach yarn anywhere where you want. Attach yarn between these increases, so on the chain. Why we're going to attach it here? Because when you attach yarn, it already looks like it's single crochet stitch here. So it's going to, we attach yarn and make single crochet stitch between this increase. We make 1 single crochet stitch, 1 single crochet stitch, increase, 1 single crochet stitch, increase, 1 single crochet stitch, increase. Between double crochet stitch increase, we're going to make increases here, right? Single crochet stitch, increase, single crochet stitch, increase, single crochet stitch, increase, and all around the same way. In the same way, fasten off, and so joining. And that's how it looks this way. Now next color is accent color, and for accent color I used purple yarn. With purple yarn we're going to skip one stitch. Going to skip one stitch from joining what we did, and I'm going to attach yarn. Skip one, attach yarn, and going to crochet chain 3 for first. It looks like double crochet stitch, right? So now we're going to crochet double crochet stitch in previous stitch what we skipped. So we made chain of 3, and then we're going to crochet double crochet stitch in this stitch, in the previous stitch, in this one, like it will look like crossed double crochet stitch, like that. Then after that we're making chain 1. Again we skip one stitch and crochet in the second stitch double crochet stitch. After that we crochet in previous skipped stitch, we crochet double crochet stitch here. And make chain 1. And continue the same way. Skip stitch, crochet double crochet stitch. The next double crochet stitch in previous stitch. In previous stitch what you skipped. And chain 1, and continue all around the same way. Don't forget to make chain 1 between cross double crochet stitches. chain 1, fast enough. And so slip stitch. So this is what we have right now. And next color is lighter blue. We're going to make arches. What we don't see it on the flower, because we will make arches. What we going then to crochet petals. So now we're going to make arches.